We're only blinded by pleasant sensations. You get a lot down when you learn to be patient, especially when things are not in your favor. I can only pray that this healing be so contagious. I can only pray that the pain doesn't break us. Gotta deal with the trauma, can't leave it for later. Gotta piece back the puzzles and end all the squabbles and repair the damage. Just kiss and make up. Lord knows I'm gonna be famous. Not just a little, I'm talking outrageous. Bringing the change, colossal in nature. Honestly, I don't see who it would be if it ain't us. My team is solid, ain't worried about bullshit, no thieves or fake love. With minimum effort, I do as I please. I know all the lessons, I saw what I reap. I know about that action, I come from the streets. I could tell you some bullshit you couldn't believe. U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate I don't joke, I hate Don't be deceived, being humble is a call when you've been focused on the path to slow. Focused on freeing my thoughts and getting along with the force is a regular chore. There ain't no measure or loss that I cannot endure. Been through the worst, we was living like dogs. Broke down my ego, I'm on with the people and I'm on with God. Now I got a diamond heart right at the core. I ain't afraid to fall. I live on these songs, I'm taking my time with these lines, though they could never fill up my phone. I jot them down in the writing so bold they could never ignore. I tell them I ain't gonna cross. I got a message from Source and I carry the torch, we the tip of the sword. U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate U Ka Nketsang, I don't joke, I hate